Okay, this one is completely stealed from this website. It's very useful. I know how to use it. That's all that matters. It's basically plotting with multiple y-axis. In research, you need to do that to fit multiple data in one plot. And here's the plot data I want to plot. And you can basically twin x. You have the same x-axis, and those are the basically how to set up initiate the plot. And the third y-axis will be on the right, pretty much. And I think it's maybe the offset or something. Yeah, they have really detailed explanation here. And here you just plot all the things with everything with different different style that you desire, different data, different style, and you can set the limit, set the limit, x and y limits, give the label and x and y axes. It will get the label and colors so that you can have the correct legend, and it will show. Pretty much, I just shamelessly taken from this website, but it works. I think it will be good to put on record so that people can use it. Since people like watching video, I like to watch video and see how it works. And as you can see, it gives the y1, y1, y2, y3, and all the correct legend and x-axis. Of course, you can set the title as well, which you can find out yourself. I don't think it's too hard to do that.